Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the March Boxycharm. So I got this month's box and I will say I cheated and peeked inside the box because I wanted to play with it. I wanted to show you the fun things that I got. I've spoken about Boxycharm on my channel before, and I will have my last video that I did in the description box if you want to see that, but I am a huge fan of Boxycharm. This video is not sponsored. Every month they have 3 different boxes. They have the base box, the premium box, and then I believe every quarter they have the luxe box, and they are $25, $35, and I believe $45. But you get a lot bigger of value in your box. You get, in the base box, which is what I get, you get 5 makeup or beauty items, one of which you get to choose, which is cool. They give you some choices, and then the rest are a surprise. It's helped me step out of my comfort zone and try makeup that I would not normally have tried. I'm a huge fan of their add-ons, where every month when you go in to choose your item for your next month's box, you get an opportunity to purchase a bunch of discounted makeup products, all from the major brands. If you are a makeup enthusiast like me and don't want to break the bank doing it, I highly recommend Boxycharm. So I will have the link for you to get more information and even potentially join in the description box below. Also, if you are interested in the makeup that I'm already wearing, I will have that listed as well. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I want to get into this box, get some of these products on my face, and we are going to start with something that I can't use right now, but I got, this is my first item in the box. And first of all of the boxes do have a theme, and they come with information about what the products are that you received in your box. Which, by the way, if I didn't mention, you spend $25 on the box and you are guaranteed, I think, over $125 in value. So it's a great deal. So the first item that I got right here is from the brand Lavish, and it is the Wet Brush Cleaning System. It says a convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. The textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. So what this looks like, you open it up, and inside is a soap. And here is a little rubber, it's got teeth on it. I don't know if can you see that? What you do is you wet your brush, I read the directions, you wet your brush, you swirl it around in the soap, and then swirl it around on that silicone nubby cleaner, and it is a fast and easy way to clean your brushes. Let me sniff it, see if it has a scent. It smells sweet. This is valued at $15. Next we have the Venus 3 from Lime Crime. Let's look. Ooh, these are pretty. Perfect for spring. Reminds me of something for Easter. I went a little pink toned on the face for it. This palette is retailed at $38. Next we have the lip oil from KAB Cosmetics. Somebody told me if you watch, comment below if you watch Real Housewives. This is somebody, apparently somebody from that show created this whole makeup line. Let us know if you are a Real Housewives fan. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty, and say hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. Retailing at $20. And it says blue raspberry on the bottom. Oh my. Oh my. It's blue. We're gonna play with this. We're gonna put this on. Next we have the Maven Beauty. This is Maven Beauty, Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions and your makeup with this aura-lifting, antioxidant-packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Yes, please. Retail value $22. Not a huge fan of rose, so we will see how strong this scent is. Cute, cute packaging. There it is. And let's spritz and see. Hopefully it's not an aggressive squirter here. All right, you just got to get it going. And it smells like rose, but it's not too overpowering, so I will try. I will try. And then the last item, which I knew was coming because I picked it. This is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Let's see, it says, this creamy mousse formula developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. Sounds fabulous. And this one retails for $26. So let's add up the value of all these items, and then we're going to put them on my face. $121, so not too shabby for $25. And like I said, I think maybe it's next week I get to have access to those add-ons. So woo, it's gonna be fun. I actually picked up some items for an upcoming giveaway. So if you are not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe below. I upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays, all kinds of fun makeup tutorials and glitter eyes and testing new products. So make sure you don't miss out. And then of course, so that you don't miss out on that giveaway, that I will have some Natasha Denona in. If you are a fan, I hope so. I know I am. So let's start with, I want to start with the lip oil because this stain is a little dry. Let's see if it breaks down the lipstick too. That would be very interesting. Feels very nourishing. Teensy bit came off on the wand, if you can see if the camera will focus in on that. Does not appear to be breaking down the lip color, but my lips sure are happier. That's very, very nice. So I should swatch it and let you know if it looks blue on your hand. I doubt it. Yeah, I'm looking close. You can't see any blue. It just looks clear and nourishing and nice. So let's jump into this Venus 3 eyeshadow palette from Lime Crime. Ooh, the choices, the choices. What colors are we gonna go in with? Let's decide. I think we will go in with Dreamy for our transition shade. Let me zoom you in. And she's back. I'm going in very light-handed because I've never used a Lime Crime shadow before. I have no idea how pigmented they are. Looks beautiful. Comment below if you have any eyeshadow palettes from Lime Crime and what you think about it. I believe I tried one of their liquid lips once and I liked it, but I think that's the only Lime Crime product I've ever tried. Very nice. Pretty mauve, I would call it. A mauvey pink. I'm going to go underneath the eyes with that same shade. If you've been watching my channel, I usually do my eyes first because I'm always concerned about fallout. This one's doing pretty darn well. We'll see how far it goes. Ooh, that hair. I got a crazy bun, don't care kind of situation going on there, right? Little dusty in the pan. Let's see, let's go in with this Ecstasy shade for the outer corner edges here, and that looks to be maybe a darker brown with plum in it. take a slightly larger fluffy brush for blending. That looks pretty. Now we have to choose a shimmer. Oh my goodness, are you guys yelling? Are you guys yelling? You want this one, don't you? I think I want this one too, because it looks like it might be a duochrome, so yes, that's fun. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I think I see purples, pinks, and a little bit of gold. Now I think to merge those two shades, I'm going to put a little bit of that taupe right here, this taupe right in the middle. Let's clean off those fingers. It is called Beloved. It's this shade right here. Sometimes I wipe my fingers off on my pants. Now, just for giggles, I want to play with that purple. It is a really bright purple. I'm going to throw a little bit of that on the bottom lash line. Very pretty. So I used a lot of the shades in this palette, but it was fun. So I think that is great. I have zero fallout under my eyes, which is amazing. I am going to throw a little liner on, and then I will be right back and we will test out this mascara. Okay, I am back. I have my black liner on. I deepened out that outer corner just a little bit with the shade Ecstasy. Just because I put the black liner on the bottom, we're making more of an evening look. I have a date night with my husband tonight, so we'll have to fluff the hair. I'm gonna jump in with this new Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. Beautiful packaging. It is a beautiful pink metallic. Ooh, that is a big brush. Let's see, hopefully it's not pokey. And let's go ahead and throw this on the eyes. Okay, let's go in with a second coat. That is absolutely beautiful. Very separated, lengthened, and fuller. So I would give it 2 thumbs up. It's a little bit of a drier formula. The big wand is a little scary. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lashes and take my time. I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So we have one last product to try out, and that is the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. I think the rose is very, very mild, so I think I can handle it. Now, let's go over the box again, see what we love. Love the, let's go over the card. Love the palette, the Lime Crime Venus 3. I am not huge into pinks. I know it's trending. I'm getting more into it. But I like that this palette, along with, if you saw my Valentine's Day look, I will link that video in the description box. Sometimes when you have a shadow palette that is all pinks and purples, it sort of forces you out of your comfort zone. Because I know I have other palettes with pinks in them. So what this does is it encourages me to use those as well. But this is beautiful. I love the quality of this palette. I love the aesthetic. It's pleasing. It's a little bit bulky, but because it's still small but thick, I think we can handle it. So that is a thumbs up from me. The mascara, it's a lot. I do not see myself using it on my bottom lashes. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before or not, but I love the MAC Giga Black mascara. It is a tubing mascara and the wand is pretty small. So I don't tend to have flaking on the top lashes, but I do on the bottom. So on a regular day, I will put whatever mascara that I have on the top and bottom, but if I know I need that mascara to stay put, I'm going out, I just need to look flawless, I will go to that MAC Giga Black. The setting spray, yes, my skin does not feel tight. It doesn't feel like it has a film on it. I think that will definitely be used. The oil, it still feels great. I had to wipe it off of my hand, like it's holding on. I've been filming for a little bit, and that oil I think is going to be a hit, especially if you have it under a lip stain or a super drying liquid lip. Very nice. So I think that is everything. I love it. Don't forget, check out the description box below so that you can see some other videos that I referenced or that I recommended. You can get more information about Boxycharm. Don't forget to comment. Let me know about the Real Housewives. If you've owned or tried any Lime Crime, I would love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.